Hello everybody, today we are here with the topic of skull. We will give quick overview on its all topics. Okay, so let's see the extent of the skull. Anteriorly, it's bounded to superciliary arches, also known as supraorbital margin. Let's see here, over here, this is the supraorbital margin. Let's annotate its boundaries for you. This is the supraorbital margin that forms its anterior border, its anterior margin, posteriorly occipital protuberance and superior knuckle line, and laterally temporal lines. So this is all skull. Okay, these are the boundaries of the skull. Let's discuss the layers. It has got a skin, connective tissue layer, aponeurosis and loose areolar layer, and the pericranium. S for the skin, C for the connective tissue, A for the aponeurosis, L for the loose areolar layer, and P for the pericranium. These are the 5 layers of the skull. Okay, let's discuss the neurovasculature. Nerves. There are the seven nerves that supply the sensory innervation to the skull. The supratrochlear nerve, supraorbital nerve, zygomatic-temporal nerve, auriculotemporal nerve, and the lesser occipital and the greater occipital. Supratrochlear, supraorbital, zygomatic-temporal, auriculotemporal nerve. These all are actually the branches of the different divisions of the trigeminal nerve, while lesser occipital and the greater occipital, these arise from the cervical plexus or cervical nerves. So let's see here. This is the supratrochlear nerve. This is the supraorbital nerve. This is zygomatic-temporal nerve, and this is the auriculotemporal. These all are anterior to the ear, anterior to this auricle. Means they are preauriculars. While here, the greater occipital, this one, and the lesser occipital, this one, these are posterior to the ear. These two arise from the cervical plexus. These are all the nerves supplying the skull. Let's see the arteries. Artery, the supratrochlear artery, supraorbital artery, superficial temporal artery, posterior auricular artery, and the occipital artery. Let's see here. These are here. Before this ear, there are 3 arteries, while after that there are 2 arteries. You can easily remember in this manner: supratrochlear, supraorbital, and the superficial temporal. Now these two are actually branches of the ophthalmic artery, supratrochlear and supraorbital, while superficial, temporal, posterior auricular, and occipital arteries, these all arise from the external carotid arteries. Arteries anastomosis with each other and with the other side. So there's profuse arterial supply, and it's the potential site of the collateral anastomosis between internal and external carotid arteries. How internal carotid? There was, because the supratrochlear artery and supraorbital artery, they are branches of ophthalmic, and ophthalmic is branch of the Internal carotid. So these external carotid branches and internal carotid, these form the anastomosis. Let's see the veins. Veins are